Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious native food. I was craving roasted ripe plantain and pepper with red oil the other day. I decided to make it. Like, the taste was just everything, guys. You all know how it works, like how it goes, huh? So I'm just going to show you how I prepared it. It's a short video, just watch along, and please, after watching, help me to share the video. Thank you. So this is my onions and pepper, which I've already grind. Okay, I don't want it to be too smooth. That's how you eat it. So I'm just going to put it in the plate, and thereafter I'm going to add my red oil, also known as palm oil. I'm going to add it and then add a little amount of salt and then put it in the microwave. After heating it in the microwave for like 1 minute or 2 minutes, guys, that's it. The food is ready. You just bring it out. You can also actually cook it in the pot, okay, like heat it in the pot on the fire. It's very okay. So guys, as you can see, that's it. That's how I prepare this delicious, expensive food you are seeing here. I really enjoyed it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't keep this video to yourself. Help me to share, and I'll say bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.